Three on your side tonight, an update on a woman who says she was almost taken for $250. Gary Harper is here with that story.
Yeah, like you said, almost taken because Three on Your Side was able to get all of her money back. You might recall the story when Erica Calderon got her $250 returned, every nickel, and she was pretty darn happy. Now, we thought the story was going to end there and we were done, but as it turns out, the story just keeps getting better.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Erica Calderon remains amazed and ecstatic these days. It's a total turnaround from when she first appeared in a Three on Your Side report a few weeks ago.
You know, I'm a teacher. I don't make a lot of money. I can't afford to just give someone $250 and for nothing. So, yeah, I'm furious.
Erica was upset after handing over more than $250 to a guy she found on Craigslist, a guy who promised to install sunscreens on her home. But he never did return with those sunscreens, even though he took her money. After Three on Your Side caught up with the guy, he mailed Erica her money back.
It came in the mail, no note, no explanation, no phone call. It was the best trip to the mailbox, I think, ever. So definitely Channel 3 got us our money back.
We thought that was the end of the story, but Robert Mulvin was watching that night. Mulvin owns a company called All Pro Shade Concepts and says he's heard of people getting ripped off before when it comes to sunscreens.
Well, I saw it on the news, and it's just people like that give a bad name to small business owners.
Robert Mulvin says although Three on Your Side was able to get Erica's money back, he still wanted to do something, and he certainly did.
He did the front of the house, the side of the house, the back of the house, a screen for our patio, all at no charge to us.
That's right. Robert put sunscreens on Erica's entire house. He even installed a sunshade for her patio. Nearly $1,400 worth of work, all free.
I couldn't believe it. It's so refreshing to have, you know, genuine people still out there.
I just wanted to show people that there is small businesses out there that, you know, cater to the customers' needs and not just their own.
Erica says Robert and his company's generosity are more than she could have ever imagined.
And it's so refreshing to have such a good ending to something that started off so awful.
Hey, I love endings like that, and I'll say the name again. It's All Pro Shade Concepts. They are licensed by the Register of Contractors. I got to tell you, we got our money back, so she was taken care of, but he felt so bad because this industry is an industry where a lot of people get taken advantage of, and he just wanted to step up. Didn't he want us to do a story, but I thought it was the right thing to do. And what he did, I thought it was way above and beyond. So thank you very much, and I'm glad she is taken care of.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Nice job. Thank you.
You bet.